Nutrition. Food, as we learnt, is an organic substance. The simplest food is glucose. It is also called simple sugar. A more complex food is starch. Starch is made from glucose. The general name of substances like glucose, sugar, and starch is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the most common foods for getting energy. Fats and proteins are also foods. The process of taking in food, consuming food, and utilizing it is called nutrition. It is a process in which food is obtained in order to utilize it to provide energy for performing various metabolic activities of the organism. Modes of nutrition. Let's now learn about the mode of nutrition. Modes of nutrition mean methods of procuring food or obtaining food by an organism. There are mainly two modes of nutrition, autotrophic and heterotrophic. We will now discuss the autotrophic mode of nutrition and the heterotrophic mode of nutrition in detail, one by one. Autotrophic mode of nutrition. Autotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism makes or synthesizes its own food from the simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, present in the surroundings with the help of sunlight energy. The green plants have an autotrophic mode of nutrition. The autotrophic bacteria also obtain their food by the autotrophic mode of nutrition. These organisms, which can make their own food from carbon dioxide and water, are called autotrophs. All the green plants are autotrophs. All autotrophs make their own food by photosynthesis. So, autotrophs are the producers of food. The food produced by autotrophs, green plants, is also used by human beings and many other animals. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition is that mode of nutrition in which an organism cannot make or synthesize its own food from simple inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water, and depends on other organisms for its food. All the animals are heterotrophs. The non-green plants are also heterotrophs. Heterotrophs depend on autotrophs and other heterotrophs for their food. In other words, animals are heterotrophs, which depend on plants or other animals for their food. Types of heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic mode of nutrition is of three types. Saprotrophic nutrition or saprophytic nutrition. Saprotrophic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism obtains its food from decaying organic matter of dead plants, dead animals, and rotten bread, etc. Parasitic nutrition. The parasitic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism derives its food from the body of another living organism called its host without killing it. The organism which obtains the food is called a parasite, and the organism from whose body food is obtained is called the host. A parasite usually harms the host. The host may be a plant or an animal. A few plants like cuscuta and some animals like plasmodium and roundworms have parasitic mode of nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. The holozoic nutrition is that nutrition in which an organism takes the complex organic food materials into its body by the process of ingestion. The ingested food is digested and then absorbed into the body cells of the organism. The undigested and unabsorbed part of the food is thrown out of the body of the organism by the process of egestion. Human beings and most of the animals have a holozoic mode of nutrition.